Hey guys, it's Cooper, and welcome to week 2 of the challenge. This week is Unlearning Sexual Shame. And before we get started in the exercise, I want to name something that I think is important. Most men don't realize how much sexual shame they're carrying because it was never labeled as shame. It just felt like pressure or guilt, maybe silence, or something you just never talked about. For a lot of us, sex wasn't taught. It was implied, joked about, warned against, or completely ignored. And whatever you absorbed back then didn't just disappear when you became an adult. The lesson isn't about pushing boundaries or becoming someone else. It's about noticing what isn't actually yours. The beliefs, the rules, the reactions you inherited. Desire isn't a problem. Arousal isn't a failure, and your body isn't something to override or fix. In this next lesson, we'll slow things down and look at where shame shows up. Not to judge it, but to understand it. Because what you understand, you can relate to differently. Take all of this at your own pace. Nothing here requires performance, disclosure, or getting it right. This is just the beginning of learning how to be with your sexuality without shame. There's some exercises below. Do the ones that feel right, skip the ones that don't. If you have any questions or any recommendations, DM me as always, and have a great week.